Hi parents, welcome to Algebra 1 Honors. I am Cassie Cogburn and I will be teaching your student this year. Please note my email address down at the bottom left. This is the best way to get in touch with me. I know that we're all a little anxious about the school year, but please know that my goal is the same. I just want to help your student be successful in math not only this year, but in years to come. A little bit about me. I have been teaching for 16 years, but this is my 14th year at Creighton. I'm a true product of Richland One as I attended Brennan, Creighton, and AC Flora. I received my undergraduate and graduate degrees from Columbia College. I have a family of 3 boys and a husband, 2 cats, and 1 dog. We have a lot of fun stuff planned in algebra this year. The main topics include solving equations and inequalities, linear equations and functions, systems of linear equations and inequalities, exponents and exponential functions, polynomials and factoring, and hopefully we will be able to dive into some quadratic functions. Please know that I emailed the course requirement form in Algebra 1 Standards at the beginning of the school year. If you are not receiving my weekly emails, please email me indicating your student's name and block, and I will add you to the group based on that email address. My Algebra 1 Honors A block meets between 10 and 10:40. My Algebra 1 Honors B block meets between 10:45 and 11:25. We also have an RTI time between 2 and 3:45. If students need extra help, this is a great time to check in with me and receive any extra help necessary. Please remember that your student should be completing a minimum of 20 topics in ALEX each week. This will count as a summative assessment grade and will be updated weekly. Your child is also assigned homework Monday through Thursday. Although the homework is not graded, it will help students practice skills that we learn in class. You can expect 2 to 3 formative assessments per week, depending on the progress that we make. Please encourage your child to take notes during virtual instruction, as well as complete some practice problems in their notebooks. Assignments will be assigned through 4 main platforms: Teams and Microsoft Forms, ALEX, Savas, and Mastery Connect. It's okay if your student isn't great at taking notes. They can always request that I post presentations that we use in class. I post these presentations as a PDF in the channel of the current unit that we are working on. For example, presentations for solving literal equations and solving absolute value equations are posted in the File section in the Topic 1 Equations and Inequalities channel in the folder titled Topic 1 Unit 2. Grades are posted in PowerSchool and updated regularly. Please contact the front office for your PowerSchool login information. Students have been taught how to access their online textbooks. You may request a hard copy text from Mr. Cleckley. Directions on how to log into the textbook website have been posted in the Files section of the General channel in Teams in the Class Materials folder. At the end of the school year, students in this course normally take an end-of-course test that counts as 20% of each student's overall grade. I know that our district and state has applied for a waiver, but since that waiver has not yet been approved, we should continue through the year preparing for the end-of-course test. Students should work towards reaching 85% in their current ALEX course prior to November 1st in order to be moved to the Algebra 1 course in ALEX. Please remember that I try to send weekly emails on Sunday to give parents an outline of what the week will look like. This may include topics that we will cover, when assessments may take place, etc. I also post this outline on the Teams page for students. I try to input assignments in PowerSchool in advance so that parents and students can see upcoming assignments. Also, please note that the only grades that are impacting student performance or student averages are the grades that are listed in the formative assessment or summative assessment categories. I will sometimes include assessment scores in other categories as a way to communicate with parents. A few additional items to remember. There's a parent tutorial on the Creighton website that you might want to check out. If you are having technology issues, you can call the tech number available on the website or call Ms. Mazer, Creighton's media specialist. Please understand that students are marked present if they are logged in at the beginning of class. Teachers are required to take attendance within the first 10 minutes of meeting. When students log into a meeting, we can see when they log in, the number of minutes they stay in the meeting, and when they log out. Teachers can adjust and change the attendance later if necessary by contacting our attendance office. I hope that you guys are having a great start to the school year, and I absolutely look forward to working with your child.